Hi everyone, I will show you how to turn off active status in Messenger. First of all, open your Messenger app, then tap the three lines on the top left and go to your setting. Now you can see the active status option, then tap it. Now you need to turn off the first option, then tap it and you can adjust your time limit. When you are done, then tap the pause option in the bottom and your active status will be turned off. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.